Today I'm going to be showing you 3 simple hair growth recipe you can mix and watch your hair grow long and thick in a short period of time. So keep watching and enjoy the video. To prepare the treatment, we will be needing the first ingredient, which is rosemary. We will be needing dried rosemary. You can also use fresh rosemary. Most of the time I like using dried leaves because that's what I have. Rosemary is a very powerful herb. If you don't know about it, just do research. And if you are not new here, you guys know how much I love rosemary. This herb is powerful, and for me it is very effective. This herb works like minoxidil. If you know about minoxidil, it helps to treat hair loss. So it is compared with rosemary. If you haven't yet tried rosemary and you have issues like bald spots, hair thinning, and your hair is thinning, you need to start including rosemary to your hair care routine in order to reverse that problem. We will also be needing fenugreek seeds. Here are the fenugreek seeds we have. Guys, if you haven't yet used fenugreek seeds or you haven't introduced it to your hair care routine, you need to start using them immediately. These seeds are very powerful and effective. They help to strengthen hair from the roots. If you have weak edges, if your hair is thinning, and if you are losing a lot of hair, you are experiencing breakage when detangling your hair, then start including fenugreek seeds to your hair care routine. These seeds contain nicotinic acid and protein, which helps to strengthen the hair from the roots. So it is important to include important ingredients like this, like fenugreek seeds and rosemary, if you want to stop the hair problems you have. So I'm going to be adding the ingredients to a mixing jar. I added 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and 2 tablespoons of rosemary. I'm also adding about 1.5 cup of water in order to infuse the ingredients. I'm gonna cover and I will leave them in a dark corner to infuse for overnight. So I'm gonna keep it for overnight because I want the ingredients to infuse all the nutrients. After overnight infusion, this is how it's looking like. The ingredients infused really well and released the nutrients. Now I'm gonna be straining out. Just use anything you have to strain out and get the liquid. Once I strain, I'm gonna throw away the leftovers because I'm not going to be needing them. So after straining out, this is how the treatment is looking like. So I'm gonna proceed into the next ingredient. The next ingredient we have is carrot. You will be needing just a few carrots, small or medium sized. For me, I will be using just 3 medium sized carrots. So the reason why I included carrot to this recipe is because I want it to be moisturizing and hydrating. So if you have dry hair and if hair growth trees dries your hair, then you need to include something moisturizing like carrot or aloe vera. So for me, I'm gonna be including carrots. So I went ahead and grated carrots into small pieces, and now I'm mixing with the liquid treatment we kept aside. You can also blend your carrots together with the treatment. I did not add any water to the carrots. So now I'm gonna be straining out. This treatment is very beneficial for both scalp and hair. Your hair is not going to be feeling dry after applying this because carrots are very moisturizing. So Carrots are beneficial for the scalp and hair. They help to treat scalp issues like dandruff and flakes. If your hair is dry and you experience a lot of breakage because of dryness, try to include carrot juice or incorporate it like this. Mix it with your other hair growth sprays and apply to your hair. So now I'm gonna be transferring everything to a spray bottle so I can be able to apply to my hair. I'll be showing you how how I use this on my hair. Just keep watching and enjoy the video. So I'm going to be applying this when my hair is twisted. I'm not going to take down twist. My hair is 3 weeks now since I washed it. So first I'm gonna make sure that the treatment is applied on my scalp first. So I'm gonna spray it on my scalp. Then I take time to distribute it with my fingers as I do some little massage to help saturate my scalp. And once my scalp is saturated on one side, then I move to the hair strands, work towards the ends, and make sure that each section is well saturated and hydrated. This spray is beneficial for the scalp and hair. With all the 3 ingredients I added, it is very beneficial. If you have a flaky scalp, you have dandruff, your scalp is itchy. If you want to increase hair thickness, then using this spray will help to stop and help your hair to grow thicker and healthy. If your hair is dry, you experience breakage, then using this treatment 2 to 3 times a week will help to stop all those. So once I apply this, I'm going to be following up with my leave-in conditioner in order to add more moisture, and after that I'll go ahead and apply hair butter or oil of my choice. This step, as I always say, is very beneficial. Do not skip this step whenever you apply any hair growth spray, because hair growth sprays are just watery. So that's why every time you apply, you need to follow up with your moisturizer, a hair cream, a hair butter, or oil of your choice in order to seal in that moisture and lock it. So we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. You are missing a lot. I provide a lot of hair growth tutorials and DIYs. So consider subscribing to this channel, and also give this video a like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.